Hey everyone, welcome to the Data Recovery Advisor. If you're running a business on Shopify or planning to start one, managing a large number of products efficiently is essential. Instead of individually adding each product, Shopify allows you to upload multiple products at once using a CSV file. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process of importing products using a CSV file, from downloading the template to troubleshooting common errors. So let's start the process without any further delay. First of all, here are the steps of downloading the Shopify CSV template log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Admin panel, Products. Click Import in the top right corner. Select Download a sample CSV template. Once downloaded, open the file in a spreadsheet editor, like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or Numbers. Next, let's move on to filling in the product details in your CSV file for importing products to Shopify. The Shopify CSV file contains various columns where you'll need to enter product information. Let's take a look at the essential columns. The handle is a unique identifier for each product, and it must be lowercase with no spaces. Use hyphens instead. The title is the name of the product, and the body is where you'll write the product description, which can support HTML formatting for customization. The vendor refers to the brand or manufacturer of the product, and the product type is the category the product belongs to. Tags are keywords that help improve the product's search visibility. Price is the selling price of the product, while compare at price shows the original price if the product is on sale. Cost per item is the amount you paid for the product, and the SKU, stock keeping unit, is a unique code to identify it. If applicable, you can add a barcode, UPC, EAN, etc., and the inventory quantity column will indicate how many units of the product you have in stock. For products with variants, such as sizes or colors, you'll need to fill in the option 1 name, for example size, and option 1 value, for example small, medium, large. If there are additional variants, like colors, you'll use option 2, name, color, and option 2, value, for example red, blue, green. When it comes to product images, the image SRC column is where you'll add a direct URL to the product image. Just remember, Google Drive links won't work, so you'll need to use an image hosting service. The image position column defines the display order of the images, with one for the main image. For a more detailed guide on how to fill out the bulk product file, you can check the description section of this video. After correctly filling the downloaded template, it should look something like this. Now it's time to upload the product CSV file into Shopify. Follow these steps to upload it to Shopify. Firstly, ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly and saved as a CSV file. Go to Shopify Admin, Products, Import. Click Upload File and select your CSV file. Review the preview to check if the data is displaying correctly. Click Upload and Continue. Shopify will process the file and alert you if there are any errors. And this is how your long product list will be uploaded to Shopify at once. Using Shopify's CSV import feature can save you a lot of time when adding multiple products. Sometimes when you upload your CSV file, you might run into a few errors. Here are some common ones and how to fix them. First, if you see an invalid handle error, it means the handle contains spaces or uppercase letters. To fix this, make sure it's in lowercase with no spaces and use hyphens instead of spaces. Another common issue is missing required fields, such as the handle, title, or price fields being empty. The solution here is simple. Double-check that all required fields are filled in. You might also encounter errors with incorrect country-province codes. This happens when the country or province code format is incorrect. To resolve this, ensure you're using two-letter country codes like US for the United States or CA for Canada, and correct province codes if needed. Lastly, if your image links aren't working, it could be because the URLs are invalid or private. To fix this, ensure your images are hosted on a public URL using services like Dropbox, Imgur, or Shopify's file upload option. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Happy selling!